train the employees to more familiar with our equipment, so they're better driving them. If they have any trouble, they know what to do.
Can't emphasize training enough in our industry. Training from just operator training to safety training, because we're putting people in the air, we're putting, moving heavy equipment around, and training is very, very important to JLG and obviously to the Port of Baltimore as well.
Very informative. A lot of this equipment I just get to see come on board the vessels, but being able to see the stevedores actually learning how to use the equipment is so informative and it's extremely helpful.
It gives you experience on heavy-duty equipment, hands-on feel for people that is scared to drive it or don't know much about driving Rodeo.
Met our team here in Baltimore. We did have a short, detailed meeting about the safety and how we wanted to approach that and how we wanted that to be communicated with the team members here at the port.
Yes, this is super awesome. Nothing like this before. I really like it. It's a lot of fun. The whole time I've been here, I've just been saying, we gotta have this we have to have this other places. We gotta train other people. Even from just learning how to latch units to how to use the equipment properly, and having the vendors